everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Discord server. First, you have to launch your Discord application. And so before I show you how to delete, I'm going to show you first how to leave from a server. So you just have to click that specific server and tap the arrow facing down. For example, you want to live in this server reward. So tap this arrow facing down. Once you tap this, you have to scroll and look for the option that says Leave Server. Okay, you can see it right here. Now, if you tap this, they will ask you again if you really want to leave from this server. So you just have to tap yes. Like, are you sure you want to leave? Tap yes. So that's how easy it is to leave from a certain server in Discord. Now, our tutorial is all about how to delete your server account forever. Like the title, it says how to delete Discord server. You just have to go back to your server, tap your server, and then go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Okay. And then you just have to tap or look for the gear icon or settings. So here you can see lots of options, but you just have to tap the first one, overview, tap this one, and then scroll down and look for the option delete server. So all you have to do is to tap this one and they will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this server? This action cannot be undone. So you have to make sure and you must be very careful with this decision. So once you tap yes, then your server will be deleted forever. And that's it. That's how easy it is to delete Discord server. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.